अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है 11th क्लास के लिए हमने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से लिया है, दैट इज़ मार्केटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंटरप्राइजेज। तो इससे पहले हम पढ़ चुके थे डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेलिंग एंड मार्केटिंग, और मार्केटिंग जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उसके बारे में। तो आज जो हमने टॉपिक चुना है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से, दैट इज़ मार्केटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंटरप्राइजेज। Production is the servant of market. Production is meaningless without market. Therefore, the very purpose of an enterprise is to produce what the customer will buy. All industries, whether small or large, face problems in marketing their product or services. But small scale enterprises are more plagued by the marketing problems. In India, the utter failure of small scale enterprises on the front of marketing of their products is commonly noticed over time and climb. Notwithstanding, there are two main reasons conditioning the marketing of products produced by small enterprises. First, small enterprises cannot withstand the cutthroat competition in respect of quality, cost, standardization of products with medium and large scale industries. In fact, the same is attributed to one of the major reasons: limited the fuller utilization of their production capacity. Second, the small enterprises of our country neither have the full appreciation of the importance of marketing, nor had they employed and implemented effective marketing techniques in their enterprises. In this regard, the observation made by the Ford Foundation seems worth quoting. In spite of an intensive potential market, the Indian small entrepreneurs were most reluctant towards efficient marketing technique and consequently have met with utter failure on the front of marketing of their products. When it comes to the question of markets for which the products are produced, most of the small entrepreneurs appear to be as much encoded to the past they are in the methods of manufacturing. Types and areas of consumption are shifted, but only a few products try to follow them. This in part at least is due to the prevailing system of distribution. Few channels of communications exist between the small manufacturer and the ultimate customer. In many cases, the manufacturer does not even know in which part of the country his wires are used or who buys them. The Japanese delegation on small scale industries in India also gave a similar view that the most naughty point in the operation of small scale enterprises and cottage industries is that the industry is isolated from the market and unable to understand quickly and accurately the prevalent trend of the market. Research studies report three major problems of marketing of small industry products. Let them discuss one by one. First one, that is competition with modern sector. The market competition of the small enterprises with the modern sector is aggravated due to several factors over the years. Although the traditional hallmarks of the small scale industries are slowly yet steadily changing, there is an implicit assumption of poor quality for goods manufactured in small enterprises. This sector needs to cater to wide diversity and changing tastes and preferences of their clientele, which they do fail. Second one, that is lack of sales promotion. Advertisement of products through the elaborate sales promotion methods such as cadres of training, trained salesmen, advertisement in cinema, slides, posters, papers, magazines, and so on has become increasingly fashionable, particularly in the case of medium and large scale industries. But small scale industries lack in the required resources as well as knowledge to practice the methods of sales promotion. As a result, the former usually have patented nanos, which facilitates the dealers in selling their products without making many efforts. In this way, the small enterprises are unsecured. If the small enterprises make a modest start too, it is to be stagnated and died out or devoured by the successful bigger enterprises. Third one, that is weak bargaining power. In case of handicraft units such as coppersmithy and carpet weaving units, the price realized is usually better than the sales are made at the place of production itself. Then, when these products are marketed in the fairs, it looks that very possibly the manufacturers are in a better bargaining position at home than in other locations like fairs where they take their products for selling. One can add some other problems depending upon the type of enterprise, yet these are the major ones encompassing various problems in one way or other.